at that shit. Something on fire this morning. Yard. Oh yeah, they're gonna be fighting that for a minute. That's a blaze. Ain't no marshmallows with that shit, that boy. Y'all see what's going on early morning, man. And Jenna's boys. Early morning, wake your ass up. It's time to get to the bag, man. It's time to get to the bag. And if you ain't got your ass up already, you ain't trying to get no money. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see what we doing? The sun ain't even up yet. We already out. Truck's going out. I'm going out. Truck's going to one plant. Another truck's going to another plant. Another truck's going to another plant. We're going to get this day rolling. JDS, Jenna's truckers, and Jenna's boys coming to a neighborhood near you. Y'all see what it is. Let's go. Well, look at that shit. Something on fire this morning. Now that's a fire. That's a real fire. That's a building going up. That a house. That's too much smoke for a small house. Motherfucker would already been gone, burned down to Christmas. That's a factory or something. That's a factory or something over there. We're about to hit 104 and get a little closer and see what we got. I hope the streets ain't fucked up. But let's see what's going on, man. Oh, that looks like a factory. Old factories over there. I'll go here in a second. This shit, it looks like it's right on 104, so we're gonna get a good view on that once we come around this bend right here, y'all. Get on 104. Look at the smoke and the clouds out that motherfucker, boy. I'm talking about, boy, somebody shit on fire. Somebody shit smoking. Somebody shit smoking. You hear me? Somebody shit smoking. We're gonna see once we get around this bend a little bit. We're gonna see. Turn that off. I'm gonna turn that off. Got this one running, man. I got me with so many cameras. Oh, that look like that one of those little factories over there. Well, that's a lot. That's that real. That's like a tire smoke or something. That look like a tire. Look how high that fire is, man. You can see the top of the blaze. You can see the top of the blaze, y'all. You can see the top of the blaze. Oh, that's the junkyard. Woo! That's the junkyard. Boy, look at that, boy. That look like the junkyard. Boy, they gonna shut all this down in a minute, man. That's a big blaze there. Coming through here, y'all. Look at that blaze coming through here, y'all. Well, that's a fire. Look at that. They're gonna end up having to cut the street down, man. This might be too close to the street. We close, man. Oh yeah, that's the yeah, I said that's the junkyard. That's the junkyard. Junkyard. Oh yeah, they're gonna be fighting that for a minute. That's a blaze. Ain't no marshmallows with that shit, that boy. That's a blaze. Hope everybody's safe and nobody get hurt. Traffic gonna be fucked up on that street. Let's go. Friday morning at the plant. Y'all see what's going on, man. It's plant action, man. Getting loaded. That hot. We at the plant for the sun come up. Now we about to get to this bag at the next job site in the neighborhood near you. Yes, we done made it to the job out here, man. Getting it done. Getting it done. Ain't nowhere near as many trucks as it was the other day, so we'll be out here all day. I got 4 trucks on the job. I think we only got 8 trucks, man. Plant closed, but we're gonna run today. But it's all good though. It's Friday. The week is up. Made a couple dollars. Prep for the weekend. Some folks get paid today. Now y'all don't spend y'all money all in one spot now. You know what I'm saying? And some of you other boys, make sure y'all pay your child support if they ain't take it out your check now. Make sure the kids get theirs. Y'all see what's up. It's Friday. A lot of things going on Friday. Some motherfuckers be broke by Friday night. So if you want them motherfuckers to be broke by Friday night, make sure that you get a side hustle. That way you can make the Saturday. Let's go, them Jenny's boys out here. Get to this bag. Traffic coming from that way now. This little small road be busy. Small road be busy. This old girl came through here, had some big old eyelashes on. So one of the flaggers girls said, you know what that come from? Well, you know what them eyelashes was made from? They was called umbrellas. To stop that shit from going in your eyes when a motherfucker done bust one on your forehead. Boy, shit crazy out here. I ain't know that though, for real. You know what I'm saying? How would I know that? I should have known that. But now I know that's what they thought. Shit crazy, the stories and shit to come up. But they said that's true when you look it up. Here come Bill coming out the box. Go and get him another one. Going to get him another one. Old Mac roaring. You hear me? I don't know why Bill didn't go in front of me. Why you didn't go in front of me, Bill? She about to do clean up. Oh, the school bus coming.
The only one that's going in that I know of.
Traffic fucked up out here this morning.
I'm gonna get out this way.
Come on, let me make this turn, man. Let me get up here and make this turn, man. Let me make this turn. Let me make this turn. They got this motherfucker fucked up. Plus, it's right in front of the plant. I mean, this truck's lined up all the way back to 104.
After you get that white truck.
All the way back to 104.
Go ahead and send.
Y'all see what's up.
It looks like there's enough room for them both to flow. You want me to let my side go? Well, didn't that gray one actually? You were saying the white jumped to me, were you? Yeah, she said she's sitting one more truck
let me through, man.
After he gets situated, you can spin.
I'm going up here and park. Be out this shit.
It's not our truck. He's coming all the way to you. Oh, he'll be coming all the way to you, Mandy. It's not our truck. Hyundai SUV. Black Hyundai SUV, Mandy. Tucson. Yeah, black Chrysler minivan stuff for Mandy. Never mind. The black, like a dark gray SUV stuck behind our traffic, our truck.
I see it's ugly.
I think it's coming now. Trucks are still coming. How much is it coming to ground?
We got 104 fucked up this morning. Y'all see it?
Truck, get rolling.
You on 104, you're gonna be fucked up this morning. You gotta get along with something.
Trucks are not ours.
Y'all see what's going on?
You guys should probably turn your flashers on so the traffic knows that you're in the work zone. It's tight. You need to have your lights on. Everybody needs their blinking lights on. They're not our truck.
Your blinkies on. Y'all see what's going on? Fucked up situations, man. But we gonna get through it, y'all. We gonna get through it. Let's go, them Jenny's boys. If it ain't goddamn easy money right here, y'all. Easy money. Okay, this dude a character. So we gotta get out and talk to this guy. You know what I'm saying? We ain't seen this motherfucker right here in about 2-3 weeks. He been hiding and shit. Where you been at? Okay, new sneakers and shit. See what I'm saying, man? When you got it all gravy like that, man, you can wear the goddamn Air Max to school, man. You don't have to work, man. Clean them up up in there. He ain't got no dirt nowhere. That means it's gonna be an easy day for him the rest of the year. You know, but one thing I'm gonna tell you, motherfuckers, is we do work smart. Why work hard if you ain't got to, goddammit? Huh? What you up to?
On hold for burn.
Burn?
One load.
Oh, okay. I was about to say how they pull you in the burn. That motherfucker.
We're finishing 23.
That motherfucking boxing.
Yeah.
Skin your shit all up, man. I hate that
One
motherfucker.
morning, we loaded at 5.
Oh, well, that ain't God. You about to be off for the
Mike's
weekend.
like, I don't think I'm gonna need you. Just go chill out. I'm like, all right.
There it is.
Where's the big fire at?
The fucking junkyard.
When did it start burning?
Man, this morning I come to that motherfucker. You can see the fire at the top of that bitch.
Really?
At the top of the fucking
How's the junkyard burn?
when it's time to get some new shit.
Where you going?
That sounded about right, huh?
Where you going?
We going right up here to Brown, Dye Road up 104, the Brown with Lawler and them. You know what I'm saying? And shit, I don't think we got that much. Half a lane, shit, we'd be done.
2 more weeks to go to the airport.
Airport 2 more weeks at night? Days?
Fucking like 65,000 tons.
God damn, what is that?
Red line.
Oh, that's gonna be right. That right there be a super fool, dumbass motherfucking super trucker that'll go up there. Y'all see what's going on this Friday? Got this last little patch to do and we done. But we had a lady down here, her car broke down right in the area. So you know, man, Shelly guys, they're pretty cool guys. They went ahead and help her out. Get her all the way together, get her up out of here. We get back to rolling. Tack man get the rolling. We tack this road. We asphalt this road. We go home Friday. That ain't my Kool-Aid pack right there. I don't know who threw that in the creek. I didn't. Just for somebody won't think that, I did. Because I drink that same kind of Kool-Aid and I'm close to it right here. Don't mean I threw that in the creek because I didn't throw that in the creek. I didn't do it. Little minnows down there. Y'all see what's going on? They got that wheel back on. It's almost over, baby. It's almost the day almost over. Once we get rolling, we're gonna knock this little shit out right here. Where they at? Up there. We're gonna knock this little shit out. And it's TGIF. That place still on fire. Look at it. They're gonna fight that all day and night to tomorrow. They're gonna be fighting that. Y'all see it?
Alright, fam. Waiting on those guys. They got us together. We're at South Central. Getting ready to head back to the shop. Of course, we did all this, got this truck ready to go, and what do? They cancel for the night. So this truck ain't even going out for the night. But it is what it is. We ready to go for tomorrow night. We ain't got to worry about it tomorrow. Hopefully this traffic done died down. Like it's backed up both ways, man. It's the only thing that sucks about picking trucks up from the south side, trying to head back east at the end of the day. Don't hit traffic. Up and go.